everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make spinach and artichoke dip. Cue the music. Alright, we're going to make some tasty spinach and artichoke dip today, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got a 1/4 cup of cream cheese, we've got a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, we're going to divide that. We got a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese shredded, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of spinach, cooked spinach, and a 1/4 cup of artichoke quarters. Salt and pepper, of course, to season as we go. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, we got a bowl big enough for all of our ingredients. Don't forget to check out the description for the recipe. Got our cream cheese, our sour cream, the mayonnaise, then we're going to add our spinach and our artichoke hearts. Then we'll go ahead and give this a stir to get it mixed up. These artichoke hearts will break up, so if you mix it really vigorously, some of those artichoke hearts will break up. You don't need to cut them ahead of time, waste a lot of time. You want to get this dip made because it's just delicious. Alright, got that mixed up. I'm going to go ahead, whoop, that's our mozzarella. Go ahead and throw our Parmesan in there and our garlic. I want to hit it with some salt and pepper. Mix it again. Throw 1/2 of our mozzarella cheese in there. Yeah, that smells good, it looks good. And we just take whatever you want to take and put it in, because we're going to throw this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to take what we've made, I'm going to go ahead and put it right into our dish. Spread that out nicely. Then you're just going to top this with the rest of that mozzarella cheese. And this isn't in the ingredients list, but I'm going to top it with just a little bit of panko breadcrumbs. We're going to put this in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 15 minutes. Alright, well there it is. Here's our artichoke dip. It's got brown on the edges. It's bubbling around. We're going to take some pictures for your enjoyment and throw in some really cool music. Then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Enjoy it. Alright, so we're going to go in for a bite. It's very, very hot. So, as you can see, so here we go. Very, very, very hot. Might give it a second here. Yeah, it smells good. It smells like garlic. Oh man. Creamy. Spinach. Garlic. Cheesy. A lot of texture in there. You got a little bit of crispness from the chip, of course, and then you got those breadcrumbs on top that add a little additional crisp to it as well. But man, this is fantastic. Spinach artichoke dip. Everything's down there in the description box that you need to know for the recipe. Thanks a lot for watching. God bless. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.